All right, so I have a quick one here. Telesin has some good accessories for your Pocket 3, and they sent them to me to show you guys in case you're looking for some better protection and some other cool accessories. And by the way, all of these come in under $20 US.
Mr. Black.
All right, starting with this case right here. It's like a hard case and fits that creator combo perfectly inside, including your extended battery, your microphone, and your other attachments, keeping it all safe. And personally, I never really liked the case that DJI sent with their Pocket 3. It was just a bit too cramped and not easy to access your gear. But with this one, again, it fits everything perfectly, and you have a mesh pocket on the top for other accessories and cords, just keeping it all organized. And you can get this thing right now under $18, and I'll put links to everything in the description. Plus, make sure you use the coupon code DannyBlack and you can save some extra money. Also, if you're new here, don't be a stranger, click that subscribe button. And if you like Pocket 3 stuff, click the thumbs up button, and I'll stop wasting your time. Let's get to the next one. Now, if you didn't have the creator combo and you didn't need all of that extra space, they also have a portable storage bag with a nice tough outer shell, and inside has a really nice soft felt. Perfect size for your Pocket 3, even with that Pocket 3 hard shell that DJI includes, plus another zipper pocket at the top for cords and other accessories. This also includes a little wrist strap to hold it, and the whole thing comes in under $15 US. Okay, next, check out this metal expansion frame, and it's a really strong metal frame that has action fingers for those action mounts out there. So if you do have any of this GoPro or other action camera accessories and mounts, you can use this to put it on there, and you can just pop your Pocket 3 right in here. And inside that, there is a nice soft padding to keep it from scratching. It also comes with an adapter to go to a quarter thread in case you needed to use that for some reason. But this could be useful in a bunch of different scenarios, and it comes in under $17 US. Second to last on the list, we have their tempered glass, just perfect for your Pocket 3 lens and the screen, to keep them from getting scratched or smashed, depending on how careful you actually are with this thing. So in theory, a $9 product can save you a lot of money and heartache in case you did somehow scratch this. And I don't mean like just from scratching it inside your bag or dropping it, but like even with this shot right here, if you're filming something like this and you have those hot metal scraps just landing on your screen or your lens, you can leave scratch marks and damage it permanently just from that. So having that tempered glass, you can just take that off and you're good as new. And lastly, Telesin has a CPL and 3 neutral density filters that can magnetically pop on your Pocket 3 lenses. The CPL reduces reflections, it also improves color saturation and enhances picture clarity, and it also can be rotated to adjust the light and control that effect. The ND filters range from 16 to 64 all the way up to 256. And under strong light, it can effectively reduce the amount of light that enters the lens, expanding the aperture and the shutter speed to prevent overexposure, but also giving that cinematic look, that more natural feel and motion blur. Also great at nighttime if you're looking to get some light trails and all of that fun stuff. Now, I said all of these products come in under $20. This pack of 4 comes in around $50 US, less with my coupon code, but in theory, that's under $20 per filter, so we're still good there. But there you have it. That's 5 cool products from Telesin, and check out their store in general because they have a lot of really great accessories out there for a wide variety of products, and I've been working with them for a long time, and it's really cool to see how their store has just changed over time and gotten bigger and bigger, and their products are always fun to play with. And the coupon code DannyBlack will work site-wise and save you a little bit more money at checkout. Now, if you want to see some really cool and creative cinematic shots with your Pocket 3, you can watch this video right here, or if you want to learn 5 more cool tips for your Pocket 3, click and watch this video, and I'll see you there.